And this is my khichdi recipe with beetroot and cucumber. Friends, try this recipe. It's very good with rice and chapati, roti, anything. And this will stay fresh also for a couple of days. So you can have this made and keep it ready. Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I am making yogurt dish with beetroot and cucumber. So almost same quantity. Let me start with the chopped green chilies first. And beetroot has a little more cooking, so I am adding the beetroot first. I'm adding this cooking this beetroot first. Always it's have 1/4 teaspoon salt goes first. Cover it, cook it. Beetroots are cooked well. At this point I am adding the cucumber. Cucumber has water in it, so you don't have to add water. Just covering and cooking it for another minute. Almost cooked. I'm going to add a teaspoon of ground mustard in it. And now that's it. We don't have to cook it now. Just stirring it hot, and I'm keeping it away from the stove to cool down. Green chilies, fenugreek, and some this, and a bunch of curry leaves. And that's it. Switch off the light. Stove. That's it. I'm taking it away. Let me get my spoon. This is my homemade yogurt. I'm adding like a couple of teaspoons of homemade yogurt. Couple of spoons. Actually, this is almost a cup of yogurt into that. That's it. Mix it while it's hot. That we are not cooking. We are just mixing it, taking it away from the stove, and then we will add the tadka. And this is my khichdi recipe with beetroot and cucumber. Friends, try this recipe. It's very good with rice and chapati, roti, anything. And this will stay fresh also for a couple of days. So you can have this made and keep it ready. Have it for a couple of days. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. We will see you in another interesting recipe like this.